Imagine the best AI models like ChatGPT and Claude racing to give you an answer without any refusals or pushback, even if you ask a hacking related question. This is Zaid from G0Security, and in this video I'm going to show you two ways to do this, a quick and easy way that literally takes minutes to set up, and a proper way where you will have your own uncensored AI chat app that you can use from anywhere in the world. Now previously, I covered how to host your own uncensored AI, but that technique had three main limitations. First, the answers were not as good as the answers you would get from the top AI models like ChatGPT and Claude, because we had to rely on an open source or open weight uncensored or jailbroken AI. It was also slow because we had to host that AI on our own resources, and it was kind of expensive again because these AIs require a lot of resources. So the technique that I'm going to show you today is going to address all of these three issues so that you can get answers from the top AI models such as ChatGPT and Claude very quickly and at a fraction of the cost. Let me explain. So let's say you're chatting to an AI model like ChatGPT, Claude, or whatever, and you ask it something like, give me code for a backdoor. You'll probably get an answer that says something like, I cannot help you with that. So what we're going to do, we're going to intercept this chat using this tool right here, God mode. And this tool will automatically apply multiple jailbreak techniques that have been discovered by Pliny the Liberator, the guy that made this tool. I highly recommend you follow him and check out his Twitter. And it will transform your input from give me code for a backdoor to something that will force the AI model to give you an answer. But it's not going to stop there. Instead of simply asking one AI model, it's going to send it to multiple AI models, the top ones plus a lot more. And when they send the answer to God mode, this tool right here, it's going to filter through all of the answers that it got and send the best one for you. To allow this tool to use all of these AI models, we're going to have to link it to a provider. So we're going to link it to OpenRouter to give it access to all of these AI models in here. And that's very, very simple. All we have to do is simply go to openrouter.ai. You're going to have to sign up with them. I've already signed up with them. It's very easy, so I'm not going to cover it in here. And once you're signed up, you want to go to API keys, click create a new key, and you can give it any name that you want. Create, copy the key in here, and this key basically allows any tool out there, including God mode, to authenticate with OpenRouter so that it can access all of these AI models on OpenRouter. So now all we have to do is simply provide this key to God mode to jailbreak all of these AI models. There are two ways to do this. The first one is the easiest one, but it's not the best one. And I'm going to tell you why it's not the best in a second, and I'm going to show you the better one later. So we're going to start with the easy and quick method, which is to simply go to godmode.ai, go to the settings, go to the API keys to provide the API key that we just copied, paste it in here. It's gonna automatically save it. Now there are a lot more settings in here, but I'm not gonna be covering them in this video because this video will become really long. I highly recommend you spend some time in here or join me in the hacking masterclass where I'm gonna be spending a lot more time on this, plus a lot more time on using AI for hacking. So we're gonna go back, and once it's saved, you can simply come here to the chat and ask it whatever you want. So let's test it by asking it to give us code for a Windows backdoor. And now it's going to go ahead and apply multiple AI jailbreak techniques to the prompt that we just typed and send it to all of the AI models selected in the settings. And from there, it's going to select the best answer that it gets and show it to us in here. And as you can see, we got our code for the backdoor for the listener without any refusals or rejections. Now, this is really, really cool, but it's not the best way, like I said earlier, because it fully runs on the browser. Therefore, if you want to use it from any other browser or device, you're going to have to reconfigure them with your Open Router API key. Also, your conversations are going to be locked to this browser. You're not going to be able to access them from other browsers and other devices. And if you remove your browsing data in here, you'll lose everything. So a better implementation would be to use the API version of God Mode, deploy it on the cloud, and link it to a proper chat interface with proper authentication. This way, you'll be able to use it from anywhere in the world with any device that has a browser, and on your phone, you'll have something like an app where you can chat to it and get your fully uncensored answers from the top AI providers without any refusals, the same way that you would use any other AI like ChatGPT, Claude, and so on. Now you can choose any cloud provider that you want. I'm gonna go with Hostinger, the sponsors of this video, because they have pre-built machines with the infrastructure that we want with the chat interface. So we can literally start with them within a few clicks. Plus, they're giving you, our followers, a special discount. So all you have to do is simply go to hostinger.com/ZSecurity. And if you scroll down, you'll see the different types of cloud machines that you can start with the resources that they have. So previously we had to use the KVM8 because we had to host the actual AI model on the cloud. But this time we can go with the KVM2 just so that we have enough resources for the chat interface, the backend, and the API, and potentially in the future, we might want to install Hermes, OpenClaw, and so on. So we're going to click on choose plan. And to get the best discount, you're going to have to stick with the 24 or 12 months. And to get a further 10% discount, simply click have a coupon and type ZSecurity, apply. And that's going to get you a further 10% discount. We're going to scroll down to choose the application. So I'm going to click on Docker application. I'm going to click the AI applications. And as you can see, you have so many applications that you can deploy with a single click. We covered a few of these like Hermes and OpenClaw before, but we're looking for Open Web UI right here, which is basically a web-based chat infrastructure with the database, with everything you need that allows you to chat to any AI model out there as long as you import it or have the API key to a provider, which is what we have in here. So we're going to click confirm, scroll up, and click continue. It's going to ask you to sign up if you haven't signed up already, and it'll take you through the billing and the payment. So now it's going to go ahead and create a server for you on the cloud and automatically install Open Web UI, which is the web interface that we're going to link to God Mode so that we can use it from anywhere in the world and get uncensored answers from the top AI providers out there. And guys, to make this happen, I actually had to patch a few bugs in the API version of God Mode. So this really took some time, and I would really appreciate it if you can help us grow by simply liking the video and sharing it with your friends and on your social media. That really helps us grow, which will make us make more videos. And if you're interested in ethical hacking and cybersecurity in general, then make sure you go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified when I upload videos like this. And now that this is complete, if we go to the overview, you'll see that we have one application running in here, the Open Web UI. And if we click on Open App, you'll see we're going to get the welcome page of Open Web UI. We're going to click on Get Started, set up our name, email, and password. And perfect. As you can see, we have a really nice chat interface that you can use from anywhere in the world and using any device using this link right here, which also uses HTTPS, as you can see. So all we have to do right now is simply deploy the API version of God Mode and link it to this web interface. Let me show you how to do it. So we're going to go back to our VPS. And instead of going into the app terminal, I'm going to go into the normal terminal of our cloud server. From here, we can execute commands to install and deploy the API version of God Mode. And like I said, I had to patch 3 bugs in the API version. So we're actually going to clone it from my own repo, not from the original repo right here. So my own repo is here. I'm going to include it in the article at our website, not in the description. And all you have to do is simply copy the Git repo URL from here, go back to your terminal. I'm going to clear it, and we're going to do git clone the URL that we just copied. So we're simply saying we want to download the code that exists in this repository. We're going to hit enter. It'll take a second and it'll download it. If we ls, we'll see it right here. And to enter this directory, we can simply do cd followed by the directory name. And we're in it right now. And all we have to do now is to build this Docker image. So we're going to use the Docker command to build this image. We're going to give it a tag, and I'm going to call it gm-api, and we're going to build it in this directory. That's why we're typing the dot in here. So we're simply using the Docker command to build the image that is in this directory. We're giving it this tag name, and we're simply saying we want to build it in this directory. We're going to hit enter and give it a second to literally create this image for us on this computer on the cloud. And now that this is done, all we have to do is simply run the image that we just created. So let me show you the run command. So we're using Docker to run a specific image in detached mode, which means that we want to run it in the background. We want to expose its port. So this is the default port that God mode runs on. And we want to expose it outside of Docker so that we can access it from anywhere in the world. And then we're giving it the first argument, which is the OpenRouter API key. This is the API key for OpenRouter that we created earlier. You want to paste it in here. The next variable that we're giving it using the E argument is the God mode API key. And you can create this. You can choose any key that you want in here. So this is the key that will be used to authenticate with the God mode gateway or API. Then we're using the E argument again to specify another environment variable. And this time is the God mode tier keys. We're setting the tier to be enterprise so that we can use the God mode gateway as much as we want. And this key in here has to be the exact same key that you have in here. So we're creating the key in here and we're using it in here. You can choose any key that you want and just make sure you reuse it in here. The only key that needs to be created outside of here is the OpenRouter API key, which we have already created previously. And finally, we're specifying the name of the image that we want to run, which is the one that we just created in the previous command, and we called it GM-API. So I'm gonna copy this, go back to my terminal and paste it. Hit enter. And to verify that this is running as expected, I'm going to do docker ps. And as you can see, we have the image in here and it is up and running. So perfect. Now we can go ahead and link our web interface in here with the God mode gateway API that we just created. And to do that, we're simply going to click on the thumbnail, click on the admin panel, go to settings, connections, and we're going to add another open API connection from here. We're going to set the API base URL, and this is simply going to be the IP of your VPS, which you could get from here. So I'm going to copy it and do HTTP, paste the IP, followed by the port that the gateway runs on, which is 7860. We're also going to do /v1 because this is the default OpenAI compatible syntax for AI APIs. We're also going to set the authentication key for the God mode API that we set in here. So we're going to copy this, come back in here and paste it. And that's literally it. I'm going to click the refresh in here. And as you can see, it's saying it is verified. And now you're good to go. So simply I can save this, go back to my chat. And if we click in here, as you can see, we have all of the different uncensored AI options that we can use through the God mode API, but we also have access to so many other AI models. Now we're going to go with the smart, which basically erases these AI models in here. So as you can see, it's going to be erasing ChatGPT 5.4 and Gemini 3 Pro, 3.1 Pro, and so on. So some of the best AI models out there to get us uncensored answers. And just to test it, we're going to use the same prompt as before. We're simply going to ask it to give me code for a Windows backdoor, hit enter. And perfect. As you can see, I have my code in here along with persistence mechanism and so on, without any rejections and without any refusals. And the best part, like I said, this can be accessed from any device in the world, even your phone, and you can even have something like an app. So let me show you how to do that. All you have to do is simply go to this URL in here and load it from your web browser. And before signing in, I want to add this as an app on my phone. So I'm going to click on the three dots in here. I'm going to click share, view more, and add to home screen. I'm going to add it. And as you can see now, it shows up like a normal app on my home screen. If I open it, I'll get the login page again. And I'm going to log in using the same information that we set earlier. And perfect. As you can see, I'm signed in now to my own AI chat app that I can access from anywhere in the world and using any device in the world. And I can ask it any question, even questions related to hacking, and it will never refuse my answers. So as you can see in here, I can go ahead and choose whichever model that I want to use. And I can also see my previous conversations in here. So it's a proper, fully functioning AI app that I can use from anywhere in the world, and I can ask it any questions that I want and it'll never refuse my answers. I hope you found this useful, guys. Let me know in the comments what you think and if there is any other tools that you want me to cover. And if you made it this far, I would highly appreciate it if you go ahead, like the video and share it with your friends and on your social media to support us. And if you haven't subscribed already, then make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified every time we upload videos like this.